Hi, this is the fourth extra credit AP Physics C problem that I will be walking you guys through. So, we're given a forces question and asked to find acceleration of the block. And we know from our physics facts that when we're given forces, first thing we got to do is draw a free body diagram. And then we also need to know Newton's second law. We need to know this for pretty much every problem. So sum of forces, which is the stuff that makes it go minus stuff holding it back, equals MA. And that's for each direction, horizontal and vertically. That's really important in these problems, this problem specifically. And then also we're going to need to know our trigonometry, because here, if we draw our FBD, we know down the weight force is mg, and then going up we have our normal force, but we also have this force from F, the vertical force. Oops, what happened there? Sorry about that. I don't know what the problem is. The vertical force from F. So that vertical force would be F sine theta, because I'll explain it. I'm so sorry about that. I'll explain in just a second why it's sine. It would be sine because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse is F. So by doing this opposite over F times F, you get just the opposite. So the opposite side is just the upward force. And then since upward would be sine, our horizontal would be F cosine theta because that's adjacent over hypotenuse. And then since friction is in play, that's too large for friction. Sorry about that. We'd have our frictional force, which says can be represented as just F. So if our answers weren't in terms of this little f, we would have to find what normal force equals and then find that frictional force is mu times the normal force. But here we don't have to do that. We just know that frictional force is F. So in the horizontal direction, if we set up our sum of forces equation, sum of forces in the x, I'm so sorry, I don't know why it keeps doing that. Our sum of forces in the x would be F cosine theta minus F, and it would equal MA. So F cosine theta minus F equals MA. So our A, we would just simply divide by both sides by M. Get A equals F cosine theta minus F divided by M, and that's D. And that is the correct answer. There you go. Thank you very much.